Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So now we can see the where can index works and how what we have discussed and how it behaves. You can see that what I have exactly told you, if it will take resistance from here or then only go for downside. You can see here exactly came downside. You have taken here somewhere, your SL will be it. You have just have patience. After that, here only somewhere this is crossed, this high is crossed. You can see that how nice swing has been made. This is the double top. After cross it came downside. Okay guys, after that also a bullishness is continue. Okay guys, so how you can trade for today in Dow Jones? We can see here this is act as a resistance for us right now. Okay guys, major resistance area. Okay guys, right now this will act as our major supporting area. Okay guys, so now what we can see is that you can see here if open flat, then your first target will be your second target guys, third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, this will be the in upside momentum. In downside momentum also we can see that in downside momentum you can see here if it will take resistance somewhere here, your first target will be here. If it will break, then your second target and third target. Okay guys, we can see next for index. You can see here in NASDAQ, I have told you this will act as major non trading area. You can see that came downside, goes upside, continuously sideways. After this is the one of the major trend line. After you have seen this, you have taken a position, so you have got downside momentum. Okay guys, so right now we can see for today. Okay guys, so it tested so much time guys. You can see here this is the area where the continuously bar are coming and taking it upside momentum. So right now it will be the very important for us guys. Okay guys, you can see here also guys, this is the one of the major trend line. Okay guys, if this will break, okay guys, this will break, then you can expect your first target guys, second, third and further also. Okay guys, if it will break, then you can expect the heavy fall in this. You can expect your first target guys, second, third and fourth guys. Okay guys, we can see next index Russell 3000 guys. What exactly happened is that you can see that it doesn't take on resistance, came downside. After here you can see here one of the major trend line is that just a second. Okay, somewhere here you can see here after this cross you can see that how nice swing has been made. After that double top has been made and came downside. After that it one of the sideways market yesterday. You can see that on Friday. Okay guys, so right now we can see where can market goes. So it will act as a resistance for us right now. Okay guys, so if once again came and take resistance somewhere here, your first target will be here, second target and third target guys. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside downside momentum. In upside momentum, if it will take a support somewhere here, your first target, and you have to see here if it will break, then only go for your second and third target guys. Okay guys, because it acts as major resistance area. One time also it has been not tested, so it may be take here resistance, but it has tested 1 2 3 times. So here sellers continuously trying to take it down. This time it will break, then goes upside momentum, but this time here you can see that once again seller will active somewhere here only. So you have to properly see it. Okay guys, we can see next SPX. You can see here exactly taken. You can see here exactly reaches up till here. Here only it reversible. Your first target also reach, second, third. After up till here you can see here I have told you it will act as a resistance. So I will just shift it line. Just a second guys. Okay, you got it guys, up till here. Okay, you can see here up till here it reaches, or you can make a trend line also here. You can see here this will be the trend line. Okay guys, otherwise you can see here how nicely has been behaved. The M pattern has been made taking downside, but what happened here is making a volatile market Fridays. Okay guys, so what we have discussed SPX exactly work like that. So hope you have got very nice trade in SPX. So we can see in right now is upside momentum. If once again it will take resistance somewhere here, came first target, your second target guys, okay guys, your third target guys, okay guys, these are the three target in downside momentum. If once again came and taken support, your first target will be somewhere here, second, here will be third and fourth target guys. Okay guys, we can see the HGX. In HGX also what we have discussed, we can see here. I have told you, if once again take a resistance from here or somewhere here, you can see that taken resistance, came our first target reach, after that become volatile, and you can see that after the half session over Fridays, yeah, sorry, on Thursday, you can see that become volatile and gives us upside momentum, but it doesn't taken. So it became volatile, after that close somewhere here on this sideways market. After, you can see that however it came downside, but bar are so much dominated, you can see that how nicely taken it upside, and seller immediately here only activated and taken it downside momentum. Okay guys, this will be the act as a resistance area right now for us, and this will act as a supporting for us right now. Okay guys, so what we can see is today is that if once again it will take resistance or came downside, your first target, it once again take resistance, your first target guys, second target guys. Okay guys, these are the two target in upside momentum. Also we can see here, if once again take a support somewhere here only, your first target guys, your second target guys, your third target guys. Okay guys, these are the some of the target we can see in Tesla right now guys. In Tesla also what I have told you, if once again it came downside, then only go. You can see here, just you can see here, somewhere here only you have buyed or not, your SL will be somewhere here. You can see that how nicely has been making. But right now Tesla stock is, for me it is expensive, so I will not trade in here. You can trade but don't invest. Sorry guys, you can trade here because it has enough sufficient, so much volatility also, and so much trading perspective, so much shares will be in the exchange and traded also, so you have to take here trade. So right now what I am seeing is that it will acting as resistance continuously here guys. You can see here. Okay guys, so right now what I expect is that if once again it came taken here support somewhere, your first target will somewhere here, second it gonna definitely break this time came. So our these are the some of the target, five targets. Okay guys, in downside also we can talk guys, if once again it will take a resistance somewhere here, then our first target guys, second target guys, this will be the third target guys. Okay guys, we can see also in Microsoft guys. In Microsoft also it taken exactly here only support. You can see that after that taken a resistance breakout and gives us very nice target, but it became a sideways market right now. So what I'm seeing here is the one of the major trend line is here guys. Just a second, you can see here. Okay guys, somewhere here like this. Okay, in smaller time frame, one daily time frame also I'm seeing this is the as a triangle. Okay guys, you have to see that if it became volatile or sometime like this, it taken support, your first target will be here, this will break, definitely gives us very big target, fourth target. These are the four target in upside. In downside you can see here, just a second guys. Okay, you can see here taken resistance, our first, second, third target. Okay guys, we can see next Apple stock. Okay guys, Apple stock exactly how it's behaving, I have told you, exactly taking a resistance only, taken resistance, came once again downside. So right now it became a sideways, though what I'm seeing is that this is the one of the major trend lines is like this. So if it will break, then gives us very nice target. Okay guys, take resistance, your first, second, third target. Okay guys, in upside momentum also we can see guys, in upside momentum if it will taken our first target guys, second target guys, third target guys. Okay, this is the one of the major trend line what I am seeing. So I will just draw it for you guys. This will be the trend line right now I'm seeing, but you have to see the how Dow zone is working. So if it will be trendy market, so you can take in stocks also very nice trade. If it will making a downfall, so you can go for, okay, this will be the definitely Apple I'm seeing. If it will breaks, then gives us very nice downfall, so you can buy future also here guys. So right now pre-market also it's doing downside momentum, but you have to see if it reaches and taking resistance from this line only, then only go for downfall. Otherwise you can see that it will act as a supporting area and goes upside momentum. Okay guys, hope you like this video guys. If you like my video, please share with your family and friends guys. Thank you guys, have a nice trade guys.